What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys stopping in and joining me for another video about Cardano. So we talk about Cardano a lot, and I think one of the most noticeable things is, arguably Cardano has been hit the hardest during this bear market cycle. We can see that the price of ADA is down almost 90% since its high in the last fall. Now, even though the price of ADA Cardano is down, depressed, along with the rest of the market, does that mean that Cardano hasn't been performing well in general? No, it is actually the opposite. One of the biggest things that happened in the land of Cardano this year was the implementation of the Vassal hard fork. So what this did was it actually improved a lot of things with the network. Okay, it actually made it easier for devs to create projects and smart contracts, dApps. It made it cheaper to transact on the network. There's all sorts of things that it has done to help bring Cardano to almost its final form, at least for the network portion of it and that sort of functionality. It's done. It's ready to go. And this couldn't be coming at a better time. Here in the depths of the bear market is where you can see some of the best advancements, right? This is where things are really loading up for the next cycle in the market. And Cardano seems to be doing these things at just the right time. Now we're starting to see some metrics from Cardano that show that even though the price may not be, ascending at the levels that we would normally see in a bull market cycle, there are metrics that are ascending nonetheless. So actually, if we take a look right now, the Cardano NFT market has been absolutely just exploding here in the month of October. So NFTs are an area of, Cardano that hasn't really excelled, in the prior years. Okay. Obviously NFTs are kind of a newer thing, but for example, if we take a look even back on October 1st, there was only about $500,000 worth of NFT volume on the chain. Now, if we actually look all the way at October 22nd, we had actually just a little over $4 million worth. And this is again because transaction fees are cheap on Cardano. It's easy to use Cardano. It is a growing segment, and we are seeing an exodus from some other chains like Solana and Ethereum. And Cardano is becoming the staple for these sorts of things to operate. So not only this, but we're seeing an increase in the amount of people that are staking. Right now, I think there's about 72 or 73% of all ADA currently staked on the chain. It's the highest percentage of staking of all chains in general. Okay, it's the highest percentage of coins on any chain if you look around. We are seeing an increase every single day in the amount of Plutoscripts or smart contracts that are created for the chain. There's more and more dApps being created every day, and Cardano is actually leading in development in these sorts of areas. And that's even compared to things like Ethereum, and Solana, all these other chains. So Cardano is silently building this powerhouse. And I think we are going to see a huge changing of the guard in this next market cycle. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. This is obviously just kind of my opinion, but based on the things that I'm seeing, Cardano is definitely going to be a force to be reckoned with in the future. But I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.